Hey, Catboy, do you want to play hide and go seek today? Yeah! I'll count and you'll hide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 19, 20. Ready or not, here Gekko comes. I hope I can find Catboy. He's really good at hiding. Maybe he's in the bun. Not under there. I found a clue. Oh, there he is! His head is peeking right out of the garbage can. You in the garbage? Yeah. Oh man, you found me. No, Gekko, I can find you. Garbage can. I've counting. What? He wants me hide in the garbage can? I have a better hiding spot. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 18, 19, 20. Ready or not, here I come. I find Gekko so easily. I'll find Gekko. He'll be in a garbage can. What? Where's Gekko? I told him to hide there. I'll find him. Gekko, are you here? No. I thought it would be at a castle. Down the hill. And another hill. That was the bottom. Oh no, Gekko here to give a Romeo skunk a skeleton. I see his bike. But where is Gekko? Maybe he's hiding inside. Oh man, he's not here. He tracks me. Maybe this way. It took forever for you to find me, so that means I win. No, I found you first. I'm not coming down. I found you first. Everyone who won? Me. No. And I guess I have a lot. I won. Who do you think won? Write it down in the comments. Tell me. Whoever won! I like more videos and watch more videos. And bye! Have a great day! The food truck is now open! Gekko needs money for college in like 47 years. No one's coming. I guess I'll do dishes. this is a really cool job, but the only bad thing is this car actually doesn't drive. Look, no engine. I still don't have a good Catboy car. Maybe I could get one today. Hey, what is this? Hey, a customer. What would you like to order? One pizza. One pizza? I will want one Catboy car. This is all mine. No, it isn't. This is what I always wanted. And this wheel, guys. This isn't a Catboy car. This is a food truck. Oh, the pizza's done. A food truck will be a good Catboy mobile. I'm going to take it. Pizza, almost ready. Who made what are you doing here? I'm just checking on the pizza. Good, because it's already done. Here you go. Thank you. My Lego loves the pizza. But we want the pizza to go. Hey. Vroom, vroom. How does this drive? It doesn't drive. Catboy, your Lego doesn't want it to go. Oh no, it's tipping. I don't want this car. It's done. I am out of here. I'm going to go get a new car. Alright. Oh, that silly Catboy. He ruined my food truck. And the food. Here goes my dreams of college. Hey, I know. I'll open a battery shop. What do you think I should sell? Food or Catboy toys? Remember to like and subscribe. Goodbye. Wow! Ow!
Hi everybody, it's Valerie here from the Owlette Collector channel with Toby and Wyatt, and today we are going to play with this really cool play foam.
Yay!
This stuff looks like a lot of fun and you can be so creative. And today I have my PJ Masks figures and we are going to make some cars, and I guess Toby, you want to make a house, right? And a house for our PJ Masks. And I'm filming right here on my table because it says right here that there's no mess and it won't stick to carpet, car seats, or furniture. So that's cool. Well, why don't we try it out?
Wow!
Whoa, holy cow. This comes with so much. This is the school set. It comes with 16 different bags of foam and 8 different colors. And half of them are sparkly. It's pretty cool. Wow, this is awesome.
Look at that.
This is so fun. And let's see if it does really stick to the furniture or not. Oh, that's cool. And it didn't stay sticky. So this stuff's all sticky and whoa, easy to mold, but it really doesn't stick or feel sticky to the furniture. That's great. Well, let's start creating. I think I'm going to make a car for Gekko. And this is a green sparkly and this one's not. That's pretty cool. So this is what Gekko's car looks like. I don't know if I can make something exactly like that, but I'm going to try. So first let me make the frame.
This is so red.
Wow, that is so cool.
Sticky. This isn't ready now. I'm making a hairstyle for Romeo.
That's funny. I like that. Maybe you can make a different outfit for him. So there's the first part of the car, and what does Romeo have over here? Oh no! What happened there? Is that like sticky splats or something? Who's inside? Oh, it's Catboy! Oh no! Okay, so now I'm going to form, Gekko's car kind of has some treaded wheels, so I'm just going to make them this shape. And oh! So Wyatt made a litter box for Catboy. That's funny.
It looks like Catboy needs a haircut.
Yeah, it looks like he does need a haircut. Okay, let me put Gekko in there. And oh, this is big enough we can place more PJ Masks inside. Oh, that's so cute. Now we need a Gekko tail and some headlights. And Toby, what have you made? Toby's made like 10 different things already. Oh, that's a car? You can make some wheels? What? Who's in there? Night Ninja? Cool. Okay, so now for my car, I need some headlights. So for Gekko's car, it has 3 different headlights. It's smaller to bigger. Next I can make some wings to go over the wheels. Place it right there. Awesome. I'll need to make another one, so I just grab some more. Ah!
That's a headlight.
Oh, then there's Dino. He got a headlight. Okay, so there we go. Another wing. This is looking really cool. And Toby, let's see your Night Ninja car. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's fun. Now let me form Gekko's tail for his car. Okay, there we go. Let's add that. And it forms pretty easy. That's really cool. So Toby, what is this? Is that the windshield?
Yeah.
That looks cool. And now I'm going to add some spikes to this. So I'm just going to roll this out. That looks great. So I think I'm done making Gekko's really awesome Gekko car. And Toby, it looks like he's almost done. Dino, it looks like you made a couch. Looks great. Let's put some PJ Masks on that. Oh, that's great. Well, I love the hair that Wyatt made, so I'm going to make something for Owlette. Well, I like how easy it is to form anything out of this play foam, so you can just be so creative. And right now, I think I'm going to make some sunglasses for Owlette. So I need really a little bit less. I think I made too big of sunglasses. So there's one piece and another. You can squish them down real flat, and then I'll just need the extensions. Okay, I think that looks good. Now we'll place them on Owlette. Here we go. That looks pretty cool. Kind of looks like bubbles on her face. Maybe Owlette looks better with a skirt.
I'm done.
Oh wow, Toby's done making his car. I like the headlights and the windshield. Oh, lots of windows. Whoa, that looks awesome. Now I think I'll make Owlette's car, and I'm wondering if I should just use this huge block. It's actually glittery too. Do you see that? That's really cool. I think Owlette would like that. So I'm just kind of squishing it and forming it. And then hopefully it looks like a cool car. So this is what Owlette's car looks like. So the most important thing to make it look like Owlette's car is having some really big headlights. I'm not even talking because, okay. And Wyatt made something else. Actually, Romeo did. He invented a shark. And let's see what's inside the shark. I think there's a surprise. Oh, yep. There's Catboy. I love Romeo's hairstyle, so why don't we make something for Catboy? Something that would really stand out. You can make some pink. That'd be pretty funny. You can make it some pink hair, like a pink wig. It kind of looks like a clown. And then something for Gekko. So I'm just adding some extra spikes to Gekko. It kind of looks like a mohawk. So mohawk hairstyle, that looks cool. And then what is Toby making? Holy cow, I don't know what that is. And wow, Toby, that's a lot of hair for Owlette. Kind of looks like a cape.
Here's my towel, but we're not done.
So here's a card Dino made so far. And there's headlights and yellow wheels and the blue car for Luna Girl.
I'm back headlights.
Oh yeah, and then we turn it around. Oh, boom, 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 boom. And there are some taillights. Awesome. And then there's a windshield, and Dino's going to put a roof on too. So then we put a roof on, and Luna Girl is still inside. There she is. Perfect.
Look over here, Mom. I made a shoe. Isn't that cool?
Wow, that is super creative, Toby. And it looks like Dino wants to make a shoe too. Well, all Toy Collector fans, I was wondering, what was your favorite thing that we made out of this fun play foam? Did you like Gekko's card? I thought Gekko's card looked really cool. Or Owlette's car/plane. Or what Toby made for Night Ninja. Or even what we did with Romeo and his hairdo. Well, I rate this play foam a 5 out of 5, and I definitely recommend this set because you have so much play foam. This is perfect for schools even, because you have lots of people playing with this all at once. Well, thanks for watching, and please remember to like this video and subscribe. Goodbye and have a great day.